Hello everyone, welcome to Loudest Mind. In this video series, we will cover Geography MCQ chapter wise. So, our first chapter is the universe. In this chapter, we will trying to see around 80 plus questions in four respective parts. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first question is, which planet looks reddish in the night sky? Options are Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. So the answer is Mars. See, basically Mars looks reddish in the sky. It is due to the ferric oxide or rusted iron on the Martian surface. That is why Mars looks reddish. Next question is, which planet is known as the watery planet? Options are Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Earth. Answer is Earth. Planet Earth has been called the blue planet due to the abundant water on its surface. It is also called the blue planet or the watery planet. Next question is, which planet of the solar system spins on its axis as the fastest rate? Options are Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. So basically the answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is the spinning planet in our solar system, rotating on an average once in just 10 hours. This is very fast, especially considering how long Jupiter is. This means that Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets in our solar system. Question 4. A spinning neutron star is known as. Options are white dwarf, black hole, pulsar, quasar. So the answer is pulsar. Pulsars are rotating neutron stars, and pulsars appear to pulse because they rotate. Neutron stars for which we see such pulses are called the pulsars. Next question is, the group of stars arranged in a definite pattern is called. Options are Milky Way, constellation, Andromeda, solar system. The correct option is constellation. A constellation is a group of stars that appears to form a pattern or picture like Orion the Great, Hunter, Leo the Lion, or Taurus the Bull. Constellations are basically recognizable patterns that help people or orient themselves using the night sky. There are 88 official constellations till date. The question number 6 in order to of distance from the sun, which of the following planet lie between the Mars and Uranus? Options are Earth, Jupiter. Option B is Jupiter and Saturn. Option C is Saturn and Earth. Option D is Saturn and Neptune. The correct option is Jupiter and Saturn. If we see below the map, here is the planet closest to Sun is Mercury first. After that, Venus. Thereafter, Earth. Then Mars. Then Jupiter. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So basically between Mars and Uranus we have found Jupiter and Saturn. Question number 7, which is our next question, is the planet Mercury is difficult to be observed most of because. Option A is it gets hidden behind the Venus. Option B is it goes too far away from the Earth. Option C is it being too close to the sun gets hidden by the glare of the sun. Option D is it cannot be seen at night as at that time no sunlight falls on it. So basically the correct option of this option C, it being too close to the sun gets hidden by the glare of the sun. Next is comets revolve around. Option A is Earth, option B is Sun, option C is Venus, option D is no single heavenly body. The correct option is Sun. Basically, comets go around the sun in a highly elliptical orbit. comets follow Kepler's law. The closer they are to the sun, the faster they move. Question number 9 is which two planets of the solar system have no satellites? Options are Mercury and Venus. Option B are Jupiter and Saturn. Option C is Saturn and Earth. Option D is Saturn and Neptune. The correct option is Mercury and Venus. Mercury and Venus have no satellites. Question 10. The planet having 13 moons is. Option is Venus. Option B is Mars. Option C is Uranus. Option D is Neptune. The correct option is Neptune, and its largest moon is Triton or Triton. Next question is the length of its day and the tilt of its axis are almost identical to those of the Earth. This is true of. Basically, the above statement is related to or which planet is very much similar to the Earth. Options are Uranus, Mars, Saturn, and Neptune. The correct options is Mars. Here let's see the explanation is Mars is the planet that is most similar to the Earth in other ways. A Martian day is just over 24 hours and its rotational axis is tilted by about the same amount as Earth. Next question is the hottest planet is. See, this is question very easy. The hottest planet is Venus. Its proximity to the sun and dense atmosphere make it our solar system's hottest planet. Basically, dense atmosphere of the Venus capture the heat and make it the hottest planet in our solar system. Next question is the brightest planet is. Options are Uranus, Mars, Venus, Neptune. The correct option is it is also Venus, which is called which is the brightest planet in our solar system. Next question is which of the following planet is the nearest to the Earth? Options are Uranus, Mars, Venus, and Neptune. Correct option is Venus. See, basically our planet Earth is between two planets. One side Venus and second side Mars, and between them Venus is closest to our Earth. Question number 15. Which one of the following planet takes the same number of days for rotation and revolution? So options are Uranus, Mars, Venus, Neptune. The correct option is Venus. Venus takes the same number of days for rotation and revolution. Question 6. The correct sequence of planets in the descending order of their equatorial diameter is. Options are Mars, Mercury, Uranus, Earth. In option B, Earth, Mars, Mercury, Uranus. Option C, Mercury, Uranus, Mars, Earth. Option D, Uranus, Earth, Mars, Mercury. So the answer is Uranus, Earth, Mars, Mercury is the correct descending order of their equatorial diameter. On which of the following planets of the solar system does the sun rise in the west and set in the west? In our Mother Earth, we have seen the sun rise in the east but set in the west. But which is the planet? This system is totally reverse. Options are Mars, Venus, Mercury, and Uranus. So this is basically the Venus. This is because Venus rotates on its axis the opposite way that most planets rotate. That means on the Venus, the sun would appear to rise in the west and set in the east. Question number 18. Which planet is known as the Earth twin? Options are Mars, Venus, Mercury, and Uranus. So the correct option is Venus. Venus is also called Earth's twin, or we have also seen that it is the hottest planet in our solar system. Question number 9 is which planet is known as the morning star? Morning star. Options are Mars, Venus, Mercury, and Uranus. So this is the planet Venus, which is called the morning star. Let's see the explanation here is Venus called the morning star or the evening star. Venus shines so brightly that it is the first star to appear in the sky after the sun sets or the last to be disappear before the sun rises. This is why it is called morning star or evening star. Question number 20, which is the last question in this video, is which of the following planet of the solar system has the longest day? Options are Mars, Venus, Mercury and Uranus. So the correct option is Venus. Venus has the longest rotational period of all the major planets in the solar system, while the Earth takes 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds to complete one rotation. Venus takes 243.16 Earth's day to spin once through 360 degree. So thank you everyone. If you like this video, do subscribe and leave your feedback. Thank you.